Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the Forms Responses tab and linking it to a Google Sheet. This is essential because charts are built from sheet data. Once done, create a new sheet or select an existing one, then allow Google to populate responses automatically. Make sure your questions are in columns and responses fill rows, since column headers become chart labels. If your form uses multiple choice or drop-downs, those columns are ready for aggregation, which is what a pie chart visualizes. Now prepare a summary table that converts raw rows into counts. Select an empty area and use unique range to list distinct answers. Then next to it use countif range cell to count each choice. This pairs labels with totals so the pie can segment correctly. Once your summary shows labels and numeric totals, format numbers as plain integers and remove blanks. This structured table prevents missing slices and makes the chart update automatically as new responses arrive. Finally, select your summary labels plus counts and choose Insert Chart, then pick Pie Chart in the chart editor. Google Sheets reads the first column as labels and the second as values. Once created, fine-tune slices, colors, and legend under Customize so the visual matches your intent. If the chart stays blank or shows one slice, make sure counts are numeric, no stray text or formulas showing errors, and the data range references only the summary table. That solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.